Hello everyone, my name is SAMI, medical consultant and SMP specialist talking to you from Istanbul. In this video I will explain to you how to use Mossi London set for hair care after hair transplant. I will start directly after the intro. When you get the hair transplant operation in Turkey, they will give you a special shampoo and lotion to use it for the first 2 weeks after the operation. When you finish the shampoo they give you, you can start directly using the Mossi London shampoo in the package. We don't recommend you to use it every day, but use it every 2 or 3 days will be very good as a normal everyday shampoo. After you use the shampoo, you can use the vitamins after 2 weeks of the operation. The recommendation is 2 pills a day after meals, and to keep it under your tongue to melt. But if you don't have time, you can normally swallow it with water, no problem at all. You have 3 vitamins in the course, with each one with 120 pills. So it will last with you like minimum for 6 months if you don't forget to take any of it. So the next one, we have 2 kinds of hair oil. One of it for the donor area to treat the skin, and we have one for the transplanted area to nourish the transplanted hair. So directly after the operation, after 2 or 3 days, when you start to wash your hair the way they tell you in the clinic, you can use the oil for the donor area. Every time you wash your head, you just have to put it on the donor area with gentle massage, like 30 minutes at least before the washing. And then you will wash it with the transplanted area the same way they taught you in the clinic. You have to use it minimum for 15 days, maximum for 1 month. So when you feel like your donor area become like very good, your hair started to grow again, I mean the hair that they left for you, because you know part of it is taken to the front. So you can't stop using it, but it's recommended to use it for at least 2 weeks after the operation. After 1 month of the operation, you will start to use the second type of the oil there in the set. You will have 3 of it, so it will last for you for a good amount of time. After 1 month of the operation, you need to use it on the transplanted area at least once a week, and maximum 3 times a week. Okay? Before you wash your head, you have to put the amount you feel is enough for your hair, like 1 or 2 or 3 of this, on the old area, and with a gentle massage, and to wash your hair with the shampoo after at least 30 minutes. It's very good for guys who use minoxidil after the operation. It will help to relieve the skin and the scalp from the dandruff or any irritation can be caused of minoxidil. So it's very good with minoxidil. It will give you very good results. And finally, we have the Falcon serum. You will have 6 of it in the course with the dermaroller. The way you will use it, actually there is no specific time to start to use it, but at least after 2 months of the operation, maximum after 3 months. So in this gap, you have to start using the Falcon serum. You will use it twice a week before you sleep. You will put almost a quarter of the serum on the scalp. You can attach this dropper to the serum and put it like drops. If you find it hard to attach it, you can use any syringe to extract like approximately quarter of the serum. And you have to put the drops on the scalp, very gentle massage, and keep it to the next day. So let's say you started to use it after 3 months, so each of it will remain with you for 2 weeks. So it will be for 4th and 5th and 6th months after the operation. You can use the it's optional to use dermaroller with it. So you can use it once a week, so to give a chance for the skin to recover. You can use it once a week with the serums, or you can use it with minoxidil if you use it after the operation. So that's it. You can use 2 of the sets. So you can use it for the whole first year after the operation, or you can just use 6 months and contact your clinic and ask them if you need to use anything else, because they have to follow up with you and you have to send pictures for your hair every month after the operation. I wish this video explained well how to use the 6-month set, and please excuse my English because it's my third language, because I speak Arabic, Turkish and English. If you have any more questions about this set, you can write to me in the comments below. But I have to say one thing. Some people ask to ship it to their country. I think it's available to all countries, except for Spain. Spain don't accept to let it in the country. So if you are from Spain, it will be a little bit harder. If you have a friend in Istanbul, ask him to contact us, so we will send it to you with him. You can follow us on our social media pages and contact us on WhatsApp if you are interested to get hair transplant in Istanbul in the next few months. We will give you a free consultation. We will tell you the appropriate number of grafts, which technique is better for you. Thank you so much, and see you next video.